Today we are opening the Fade Flex. It's an EDC CC bag. I've never used one before, so these are going to be my genuine first impressions. Let's start on the external of the bag. First off, the material. This is like a rain resistant or like a raincoat material, but obviously much thicker. But that's really what it strikes me as. Our stitching, the stitching on here seems really durable. Let's look at the back strap. It's like a seatbelt material here. It reminds me of a seatbelt anyways. And the buckle, a little bit different buckle than what I expected. We'll see how that works in some of our testing, but very easy to open and close, but is different than what I think traditional buckles are, and probably what you'll also see on the Bando bag. Zippers, very smooth. Oh, these up here are like butter. These things open very easily. When I first pick it up, it really feels like it's something that's built to last, from the stitching to the zippers to the material, the strap. It really feels like it's something that can last a long time. Okay, let's take a look at the inside. The front pouch, open it up. Looks like we have an elastic Velcro sleeve and a Velcro backing here. Down here we have a zipper, little storage area. 3 compartments here. Good fabric. Stitching on the inside looks really good as well. Let's look at the very back patch. This is our CC area. We have another elastic Velcro here. That Velcro is really nice. And then on the very back, we have a little spot here, a little extra spot. It also conceals our strap. That's really nice. Let's go ahead and load it up with some everyday carry items. Here is a view with everything inside. Let's take a look inside. And here we have our knife, earbuds, flashlight, hand sanitizer, Leatherman. In our zipper, we have a lighter. And then in our big main pocket, put our cell phone. And then in this back spot is our wallet. All right, final verdict of my initial impressions. I know this is a conceal and carry bag, and I might utilize it that way, but I really wanted to throw some stuff in here so you guys could see how it packed, what it looked like, and how it could be utilized. This is not just a conceal and carry bag, from my opinion. This is something that you can use as carry-on when you're traveling. If you're taking the kids to the park and you're not conceal carrying, this is still a really good option for that. So, final verdict, I really like it. I think the zippers are really smooth. I think it looks really good. The branding is kind of subtle. It doesn't just yell at you that it's a conceal and carry bag, and it's not just a conceal and carry bag. I really like the pull tab on here. I like the stitching. I like the look. I will have a follow-up video on this, but this is the Fade Flex. Thanks for watching.